What is up, YouTube? This is Rick G. I am back with another video, and today it is the last update for the Mercury Dime Book giveaway. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 packages right here, all a bunch of dimes to go into this book. A lot to get through. Of course, we're going to announce when we are going to do the final live stream and the actual giveaway. So let me get this all out, and then we will get into these packages, see what we have going on, fill up what we can, and show you all the prizes. Alright, so I'm going to try to get through most of this as fast as I can. We have one from Silver Heist. Great sticker, 2020 sticker. Genius on the stickers, though. He says, good luck to the audience and keep up the great work. A 1940 Mercury Dime. I've tried this 3 times and my camera did not want to focus on this thing. So maybe I can get it this time, and it just does not want to focus. I don't know what the deal is. So we got a 1940 right there. It does fit into the book. Let's get into the next one. Up next we have Jorge Luna, and he sent in 2 dimes for the giveaway, and then down here, check this out, he says, burn this letter with a flamethrower just in case it's contaminated with the virus. Thank you very much, all the way from Madrid, Jorge Luna. It's awesome. Thank you for participating. And he sent in 2 dimes, a Roosevelt dime and a Mercury dime. Both of those count. This is a 63 and that is a 43. This is an S to be exact. Yes, an S right there. So 2 entries for our friend Jorge Luna from Madrid. Thank you very much. Alright, so up next we have Silver Nitrate. This is awesome. He prints these himself, and very cool. It says, Rick, for the album, thank you and aloha, Silver Nitrate. Very cool. I appreciate that. And check out what he has sent in right here. Let me zoom in for you. Hopefully it will focus for me. That is a 16, a 17. This is an 18S. This is a 19. And then check this thing out right here. Please focus, because we need to see this thing. A 1921 plain date, and this is one of the key dates of the Mercury Dimes. It does have some issue. Looks like somebody defaced it a little bit right there. It's got a bit of a bend, but this will be awesome in anyone's collection. Thank you very much, Silver Nitrate. A 1921 is a key date, man. That is very, very generous of you. Thank you very much. So this one right here is awesome. Worcester, you outdid yourself. Here are 20 dimes for the book. I studied today's video closely, and I think I've sent all ones you are missing. I tried hard to get the first page filled up. Lucky you get to put them in the book. That's the best part of it. That's the best part, sorry. Enjoy. Can't wait to see your next update video, Worcester. And check all of this out right here. Just unbelievable. 20 dimes. That piece of paper wanted to fall in the way again, and if it's sitting sideways, it fits in the book right now. So basically this one, that one, these 2, this one here, these 2, these 2, just amazing. I don't remember. Oh yeah, this one right here, check this out. A 1930 San Francisco mint, and that is one of the key dates as well, in my opinion. I think it's like 1.8. I can flip this open real quick. 1930 S, yeah, 1.8 million minted. So that one is awesome right there. Focus one more time. There you go. 1930 from Worcester, San Francisco mint. That's another key date that we're putting into the book tonight, and it is just awesome right here. Very cool. Thank you very much, Worcester. The rest of them would have already fit in the book, or would fit in the book, but because of the last update and the couple that we have over there, we'll have to see which ones are going to go in. But basically, all of them that Worcester sent in would have fit in the book if it had came in last week. So very cool. Thank you very much, Worcester. And let's get into the last package. So these last packages have been just amazing. This one right here is from Mikey V, and it is another, well, this one is 42 dimes to be exact, but he has donated 21 of them for Jim BU. Mikey V, that is amazing. This book is going to be awesome right here. What's cool is Mikey V had won these. I know these 2. I don't know about this one, but these for sure, because he wrote on the back, one from Rick G Profit Coins. So he won these on my channel, and now has sent them back in for another giveaway. I think them was on the Roosevelt Dimes when he won something on there. But just unbelievable. Most of these dimes we do already have, which is fine by me. Any dime is awesome. They all count for entries, so that's very cool. We did get another 1920S right there. We picked one of those up over here in this pile as well. And then this is a 1945D. We've really been needing that right there. So a 1945D. And you can see the D right there. We needed that for the book for sure. And just a pile of a bunch of goodness right here. Mikey V, thank you very much for participating, for putting Jim BU in as well. So now let's get all these dimes out, fill this book up, and see where the book stands. So this is just amazing. As you see, there are a bunch of spots that are about to be filled in on this book. Just thank you guys so very much for being part of this giveaway and participating, helping us build this book up for one lucky winner. And it's just awesome. I went through all of my dimes trying to find anything that I could fit into this book to help get this thing filled, and I had only found one dime that we still needed, and that was the 36S. So I'm going to go ahead and put that in that space so that we can get one coin closer. Whoever wins this book has another goal, another stacking goal, another collecting goal, whatever you would like to say. But it's got a few spots that still needs to be filled up. That's going to be awesome. But when you win this book, some of these dimes are going to be put into these spots just so that it is a full silvered Mercury Dime book. It's not going to be the right dates. I'll put them in upside down or backwards or something to that effect right there, so you know that them are the ones that you need to find for yourself. Like I said, we have extra dimes, so we are going to put them in the book. The other dimes are going to be given away as bonus prizes, free giveaways, and such things like that. Of course, I am going to have the stream on a Saturday. It's going to be next Saturday. I do not have the date because I wasn't prepared for this part of the video, but it's going to be next Saturday. That information is going to be down below. I will put another video up before we go live, maybe a couple days before, to remind everybody, to show everyone the prizes. I'm sure that we're going to have this prize and then 4 additional prizes, plus a bunch of free prizes as well for the people that come into the stream. So this is going to be great. I appreciate everybody for taking part of this, and just phenomenal. Until next time, good luck to you. I hope you profit on all your searches. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share. Leave a comment down below. Tell me what you think, and until next time, good luck. Just in case you're wondering and are still watching the video, these are the tickets that I'm going to use for each person entry. If you had 1 entry, you will get 1 ticket. If you had 10 entries, you'll get 10 tickets, and so on and so forth. And of course, this information, your numbers and everything, will be in the later video that's closer to the stream date. Of course, it'll show all the prizes, the main prizes, the bonus prizes, the free prizes, everything like that. So now I say good luck to you.